Have you ever felt like no one takes you seriously? You walk into a room, and it's like you don't exist. You speak, and it's like your words bounce off walls. People talk over you. They interrupt. They forget you were even speaking. You try to smile more, to talk faster, to be agreeable. And yet, nothing changes. You're trying to fit in, but you're fading in the process. Here's the truth. It's not that you're not smart enough, not confident enough, not alpha enough. It's that you've been taught all the wrong things about power. You were trained to react fast, to avoid silence, to fill every gap with words. But the most powerful men in history, they did the opposite. They knew how to make silence work for them. Because when used correctly, silence doesn't weaken you. It amplifies you. It makes others lean in. It creates tension. And in that tension, respect is born. This is the trick no one talks about. The trick that flips social dynamics. That turns the invisible into unforgettable, and the ordinary into a threat. It's simple. It's free. You can use it today. It's called the silent pause trick. And if you apply it just once, you'll feel the difference. You'll see the shift in people's eyes. Because silence, when used right, doesn't make you smaller. It makes the world take you seriously. This isn't charisma. It's not about being loud. It's about knowing when to stop and let them wonder what comes next. You don't need to speak more. You need to pause better. And once you do, the respect you've been chasing starts chasing you. You try to blend in. You try to be easy to talk to. You speak when others speak. You nod politely. You laugh at jokes that aren't funny. You agree just to keep the peace. And still, you're overlooked. Your voice fades. Your presence goes unnoticed. You walk into meetings, gatherings, conversations, and you leave without leaving a mark. They don't remember your name. They don't make space for you. They speak over you without thinking twice. Even when you make a good point, someone else repeats it louder, and they get the credit. You wonder if something's wrong with you. If maybe you just weren't built for leadership, for attention, for respect. But here's the truth. There's nothing wrong with your ideas. Nothing wrong with your intelligence. Nothing wrong with your worth. What's wrong is your timing and your silence. Not the silence of confidence, but the silence of trying not to disturb. You were taught to play nice, to avoid tension, to speak quickly to fill empty air. But in trying to be comfortable, you've become forgettable. The world doesn't respect noise. It respects gravity. And gravity comes from presence. Presence starts with pause. You've been told to be authentic, to just be yourself. But nobody told you how. They didn't teach you that power isn't in what you say. It's in what you withhold. Because when someone pauses before they speak, people pay attention. When someone doesn't react right away, they gain control. And when someone isn't afraid of silence, they become a threat. Not a threat in a violent sense, but in the way stillness makes people nervous. In the way it forces others to fill the space, while you remain unmoved. Right now, your silence feels like weakness, like insecurity, but that's because you've been using it wrong. There's another way, a sharper way, one that flips the room without raising your voice. And that's what we're going to give you next. Let's talk about the most overlooked skill in human interaction. It's not charm. It's not storytelling. It's not even confidence. It's this, the silent pause trick. It sounds simple, but the moment you use it, you'll realize why it's so powerful. Here's what it is. In a conversation, when someone asks you something, don't answer right away. Pause, just for 2 seconds, maybe 3. Don't look away. Don't fidget. Hold the eye contact. Breathe. Let the silence stretch, just long enough that it makes people feel something shift. Most people are terrified of silence. They rush to fill it. They blurt. They stammer. They spill everything, but not you. When you pause, you're sending a different message. I'm not in a hurry. I'm not afraid to think. I don't chase approval. I control this space. It creates gravity. Your words feel heavier. Your presence becomes undeniable. And here's what's wild. It works anywhere. In job interviews, in arguments, in boardrooms, even in casual conversations. That moment of pause, it disrupts the rhythm. It makes people lean in. It makes them wonder what you're thinking. And in a world addicted to speed, that makes you unforgettable. You're no longer reacting like everyone else. You're choosing, you're commanding. So remember this. The next time someone asks you something, pause. Let the silence speak first. Then let your words follow with weight. Because power doesn't start with what you say. It starts with how long you're willing to wait before you say it. Let's break it down. Here's how you use the silent pause trick in 3 simple steps. You don't need training. You don't need special talent. You just need to be intentional. Step 1. Pause before you speak. When someone finishes talking, don't jump in. Let there be silence. 2 to 3 seconds. Just long enough for it to feel deliberate, not awkward, deliberate. That silence becomes your power. It shows you're not reacting, you're choosing, and people sense it immediately. Step 2. Slow down your voice. Most people speed up when they feel nervous. They ramble, they chase approval. But when you slow down, every word feels like it matters. Your sentences land harder. People listen more closely. They stop thinking about what they'll say next and start paying attention to you. Step 3. Let your body do the talking. Stand still, square your shoulders, make eye contact. No fidgeting, no shifting weight back and forth. Stillness signals control, confidence without aggression. And that stillness paired with silence, that's dominance. Now let's bring it into the real world. You're in a meeting. Someone challenges your idea. Instead of jumping to defend yourself, pause. Look them in the eye. Breathe. Then respond. Slow. Measured. Watch how they react. You're in an argument. Someone raises their voice. You don't. You don't even respond right away. You wait. You let them fill the air with noise, while you become the calm center of gravity. On a first date, instead of trying to impress, you listen. You pause before you speak. You make them feel heard, and suddenly, you're different from everyone else. The pause makes you magnetic. It's not about silence for the sake of silence. It's about choosing to speak from control, not from reaction. And the more you use it, the more it becomes your default, your rhythm, your identity. You become the one no one forgets. Because while everyone's rushing to be heard, you're the one who speaks last and leaves the biggest impact. So what happens when you actually use this? You'll feel it before they say anything. The way people pause when you enter. The way their tone changes when they speak to you. They'll choose their words more carefully. They'll wait for your reactions because you've stopped giving them away. You won't need to demand respect. You'll just get it. They'll lean in when you talk. They'll go quiet when you don't. They'll ask you what you think, because now your opinion carries weight. You'll speak less, but they'll remember everything you said. In arguments, they'll back down. Not because you overpowered them, but because your calm unnerved them. In meetings, they'll defer to you, not because you shouted louder, but because you didn't rush to fill the silence. And when someone tries to provoke you, your pause will be the loudest thing in the room. You'll stop chasing influence. It will start orbiting around you. People will describe you differently, as grounded, composed, intimidating even. Because the silent man, the calm man, is always the one with the most power in the room. And here's the best part. You don't need permission to use this. You don't need to level up or wait for a better moment. You can do it now. The shift doesn't take months. It takes one decision: to pause, to breathe, to hold. And suddenly, you're not the one reacting anymore. You're the one setting the tempo. That's when the world treats you differently. Not like background noise, not like someone trying to fit in, but like someone who leads, even in silence. Now it's your move. This isn't a theory. It's not just a mindset. It's a tool, one that you can use today. In your next conversation, pause. Let the other person speak. Then wait. 2 seconds. 3. Feel the tension. That's your power being felt. That's you shifting the dynamic. Most people will never try this. They'll hear this advice, nod, and forget it. They'll keep talking too much. They'll keep trying too hard. They'll keep being ignored. But not you. You're not here for noise. You're here for impact. And the truth is, this silent trick works fast, sometimes in seconds, because silence is louder than noise when it's used with intent. So here's what I want you to do. Try it today. Pick a moment, pause, control the rhythm, then come back here and tell me what happened. Leave a comment. Was the reaction instant? Did you feel more respected, more present, more in control? If this helped you, like this video. If it made you think differently, subscribe. If you know someone who's always overlooked, share it with them. They need to hear this. Because the ones who pause aren't silent because they're afraid. They're silent because they've learned that presence speaks louder than words. And when you master that, you're not just respected, you're remembered, you're felt, and to some, you're a threat to everything they thought they controlled.